Hi, treehouse folks and DIY enthusiasts, homesteaders. We're continuing on with our floating sauna project. Newsflash. Turns out that my idea about having the sauna float on barrels needed more research. So a barrel, which when full of water weighs about 400 and some pounds, 450 pounds, something like that, that's the amount of um, weight it can displace when it's empty. So I only had provisions because of the space for 3 barrels under the sauna. And as I was building it, I was thinking, is this going to actually work? And then when I actually looked into it, I realized that it probably way undersized because 3 barrels times 3 is about 1,500 pounds or so. And just judging from moving the sauna with my skid steer, it was way heavier than that, maybe double. So so that wasn't going to work. So I had to go for plan B. There's always a plan B. And so, and this may be better in the long run anyway, because since the pond does drain down during the summer, um, this um, this may have a good workaround for it. And that is to have the sauna cantilevered over the edge of the pond so that it's over the water, but it's not actually in the water. And that way I don't have to use the barrels, and I can just put it up on these logs that I'm dragging out here. And it's a bit of an overkill with the backhoe moving these locust logs, um, but they are a handful for me to move by myself. Um, so I had to use the old dinosaur to move them around, and let's take it from there. Let me show you what I got so far. So I did some inside stuff here already that I didn't film. I put some poplar smooth boards on the backs here. I only had a few of those, so I had to make do with that, and then I had to fill in the spaces below the bench. That'll be the bench line here. This wall here is where the stove is going to go, about where that chair is, more or less. And here's the other bench here. bench wall. Paul was helping me today with the sauna, and my neighbor Marty stopped by to say hello, and we enlisted his help as well.
There it is. Voila.
We'll just leave this project until fall when I have some more time to work on it, and I can make a door, and in the meantime look for a stove. And at that point I'll level it up and make a plank out there into the water with a little dock. That'll be a fall project. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Please subscribe and like, and stay tuned for future videos.